Hello friends, and welcome to another video of a factory tour. Friends, you must use a cover for your vehicle to protect it in the summer and rainy season. But have you ever wondered how those covers are made in the factory? Today we will unbox Asia's largest cover making factory, Polco Creations Private Limited, where more than 1.8 million covers are made annually. Friends, this amazing cover manufacturing process starts, as you'd imagine, with raw materials. But you may be surprised to know that more than 20,000 kilometres of raw material is used every year. And with that, we could reach from Earth's North Pole to the South Pole. In the Polco Creations factory, more than 30 varieties of raw material are used to make covers of different designs, patterns and colours, such as car, bike, cycle, auto-rickshaw, tractor, pet covers. Car sunshade and even luggage nets are also made. For making a cover, a roll of raw material is laid out on a table for cutting. Now the master pattern is placed over the raw material and marked accordingly. Once marked, the raw material is cut perfectly by the cutting machine. You'll be amazed to know that 184 layers of fabric are being cut together, and I particularly enjoy watching this process. After cutting, the cover is sent for printing. Now we see the printing area. Here, with the help of screen printing, the company's logo is printed on the covers. For printing like this, a special grade ink is used to ensure durability. After printing, each logo is inspected, and once approved, it is sent to the stitching department. In Polco Creations, various stitching patterns must be done for different products, such as single needle, double needle, bottom double needle, and many more. Then, the cover belt buckle is stitched to ensure that the cover stays well on the vehicle. A luggage net is made for keeping various items such as water bottles and newspapers on the passenger side and in the trunk of a car. It is inspected after stitching, so you will get a perfect quality cover. Finally, the cover is ready for the protection of your vehicle. These covers are packed as per the demand of the customer. Covers are exported to many foreign countries, and to maintain their perfect condition, vacuum packing is also done. If you want to buy any of these covers, contact details are in the description. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Polco Cover Manufacturing Company. Which process did you find most interesting? Comment below. Subscribe to us for more factory unboxing videos. Like the video and don't forget to share with your friends. Stay connected, be updated.